put it on YouTube?
About the snow? This is
Yeah.
not how too much snow.
Well, it's going to come so much snow.
You
Wait.
think so?
Yeah, let's do it. I have here. You have that here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like the snow, Daddy. It is very snowy. Look, it's quite snowy. Daddy.
Okay.
Car is snowing.
How cold are you? Yeah, you're cold.
Riana,
Huh?
what do you think of today? Is it a good day?
Well, look for yourself. It's snowing.
Really?
Yeah.
It just started, right?
Well, it is snowing a little bit more.
Hey, நீ ஒழுங்கா பண்ண எடுக்காத கையில இருந்து வெளியில கீழ.
I'm trying to put the snow away from my glove.
It's too cold. Yep. Uh-oh. What happening? Hey, put the cap properly to your ears. Yeah. ஒழுங்கா போடணும் கேப்பலாம். Come. Cheese, here. Ryan, look at me.
Cheers.
Okay. 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 Hey.
Yeah, good boy.
அது மேல மேல போடாம விளையாடணும். ஓகே ஓகே அவன் மேல போடாத. போடாதம்மா. Want to play outside? Go and play outside.
My jacket's not good.
It's wet.
I want to go outside. I want to go in the. I want to get out.
Get inside.
I want to get inside.
He's done.
Here was a huge snowstorm, and here when we went for a walk, as you can see, there's a lot of snow. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.